Alright, I have a 2006 Dodge Charger I picked up a few weeks ago. And the problem I noticed that it's having is if the car is running, say I go somewhere and come back, and I shut the car off, it immediately loses power. The door locks don't work, the interior light's not working, key fob is not working, nothing is working. They have a module called a retained accessory power module, which is supposed to retain power to the car up to 10 minutes before you open up the door. So after doing some research, after checking all the fuses, which I thought I did, after checking the battery, after checking alternators, even changing the battery in my key fob, and doing a little bit more research online, I found that in this fuse panel, number 14 was missing. And number 14 controls the power to the car, accessories, etc. It requires a 10 amp fuse. So once you insert the 10 amp fuse, let's see what we have. Alright. So, looks like we have interior lights. Okay. Let's see if the radio stays on. Okay, radio stays on. Power locks works. Okay, so $4 fix, something simple, but if you don't know, it's going to cost you hundreds of dollars. So hope that helps. Thanks.